Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you the scroll view in a Xamarin control. So this is the your mobile screen, you can say. And first of all, I want to put in your XML file, that is the linear control, or you can say the linear container, in which you can add the scroll view controller. The linear layout having with the width and the height property. The width and the height is matched with your mobile screen, so you can set the width and the height is the fill parent and the match parent also. So in that you can add the scroll view. The scroll view is actually a container also, in which you can add another controller, another container, that is the linear layout, table layout, etc. So the width of the layout of the scroll view is the match parent or the fill parent, but the height is wrap content. So I was saying the scroll view is a container, so you can add another linear layout. Okay, so the linear layout set the orientation property of the linear layout is the vertical, so you can add the item in the linear layout, and that linear layout is inside in the scroll view. Okay, so set the height and the width property of the linear layout, also set the orientation. So here we have, first is the linear layout, second a linear layout having with the scroll view layout, and the scroll view layout having with the linear layouts. So and last nested linear layout having with the width, height and the orientation property, and also contains some controls like the button controls. Okay, it's too much easy to understand the scroll view. Actually, scroll view is just a scroll, horizontal as well as the vertical. So if you set the scroll view layout, the both horizontal as well as the scroller, vertical scroller is applying on there, looking like this. Here you can move the content downwards and upwards, so you can easily check all the controls one by one. So just open your BMI controller, your XAML file, and you can check. These are the buttons control. These are the button control, and inside you can check the scroll view and the linear layout. So the first layout is the linear layout, another is scroll view, and third one is the linear layout. So the scroll view, just when I remove that control from the XAML file, so you can check that the output is showing or not, because all the buttons are wrapped in the contents, not wrapped in the content, so it's not visible without the scroll view, because it's all the if any control cross the boundary of the mobile screen, or you can say any layout, then that does not visible without any scroll view. So must to add a scroll view if you have more than control, and that control cross the boundary of your any layout or the mobile screen. Okay, so must to add the scroll view. So just I clear it. There is nothing happen in that view, so must to add the scroll view layout. If you set any orientations in the linear layout without the scroll view, there is nothing changes, because it's not the fault of the layouts, it's not the fault of the containers, it's the fault of the cross boundary of the controls. So it's not visible. You can check it. Yeah. Okay. Again, if you want to check it, if you feel like that it's not saved, and if you want to run again, then you can check it. It's nothing to show in that emulator. because the whole controls, controls like the button controls cross the boundary of the mobile, so it's not visible. If you have a scroll view, or you can say that all controls inside a scroll view, then must to show the whole controls, because we can move the controls up and down. Okay, so there is nothing visible without if you move the your phone, looking like. Now remove these things from top layout, that is linear layout, and set also scroll view. There is with the width and the height property, and inside the scroll view we have a linear layout, and in that linear layout we have orientation property is vertical, and the layout width is the fill parent, and the layout height is the wrap content. So one by one control is added in that scroll view, or you can say in the linear layout, which is included in the scroll view, is wrapping the contents one by one according to the height wise. So this things is too much clear, and run it again, the all controls are visible clearly. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you want to see more things in Android Xamarin tutorial, and I will show you how to put the ads, like the ad mob ads in my account, how to use the NuGet packages, and how to use APIs, and how to use databases things in Xamarin Android C#, then I will clear you. So please subscribe my channel if you like this video. If you want to more something about Xamarin and Android and many more things about C#, then please subscribe my channel, and don't forget this, because it's my channel provide you the whole things. Thank you very much for watching.